Hey gang, how you going? What the heck is that? It's not an oldie, but it is a beauty. It's the Happymodel Sailfly-X. I've had this one for over a year now and haven't flown it for a while. Feeling a bit courageous, so I'm going to have a zip around. Check out my last video. I'll leave a link in the description. This thing is absolutely crazy fast. It's got about a 35-degree pitch on the camera there. This thing is crazy fast, let me tell you. Well, by my standards anyway. Okay, let's see if she still flies. Thanks for stopping by, folks. Let's get cracking. Wish me luck, folks. Make sure we've got some DVR recording going here on the Sky Zone. Alright. Okie dokie. So I mentioned pretty fast with this thing. All of a sudden I'm over there. Oh yeah, okay. Like I said, guys, this thing is ripper quick. I can just see this is going to end bad. I'm even too afraid to go very far out with this, guys. It's I need a bigger field. Let's see if we can get some tumbles and things going here, which is what this was actually built for. Oh goodness me, this is quick. I can't even get a decent run down. It just it just goes from one spot to the next. Okay. Okay, let's change a pace, guys. Let's see if we can. No, it's going to be really hard to do a slow pass through those trees too, simply because of the. Okay, speed run. And I've lost it. I have no idea where I am. Sorry guys, this thing is hairy. Yeah, not for the beginner. I'm having a bit of trouble controlling it. I think I might take a leap out of my tri-blade prop video I did recently. Put some A-band 2.5-inch props on my Larva X and made for a much smoother, easier flight experience. So I think I might do the same with this. This is just about uncontrollable. Gee, it's fast. I'm hardly touching the sticks and look at it go. Okay. Look, I suppose if I was a better pilot, I'd do a better job with this, guys, but yeah, this thing is really quick. I'll punch out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It doesn't seem fast, but it's pretty fast. So the pitching on it, you know, yeah, it's really aggressive. Really snappy, so you got to really be on the ball. Otherwise, it's walkies time. I won't push my luck. Like I said, guys, like I said, gang, a definite adrenaline rush. Yeah, it might be old school, but gee, it's fast. Sailfly-X, guys. Link down below. Smash it a thumbs up. Certainly not for the beginner, unless you like walking, because I guarantee you'll be going for a walk to try and find it. Thanks for dropping by, folks. Happy flying. Take care. See you next time. Sky Pilot. Bye for now.